Yeah,
Go
Pratham, are you
ahead,
ready?
please, Pratham.
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
Pratham,
sir.
so you are most welcome on this digital platform out there, and we are eager to listen to your story. Oh, so this is called as the vanishing act. You see, like at times, internet makes you learn magic also. In the meantime, Vijitji, like, would you like to share something?
So
Yeah,
for
yeah,
me,
sir.
when it comes to the current youth, right? If you ask me, guys, Mr. Vijit, what do you suggest to us? So I would say, have one aim at one point in your life, and make your life at that point as the complete aim itself. So
Hmm.
if you think today I need to crack a job interview, I need to get into an organization, I need to get into some hacks or something, make that as an aim for that particular point. Say 5 months, this is going to be my aim, and make your life as that aim itself, so that your life would be centered around it all and all, and you would be attacking it from 360-degree, right?
Yes.
So once you have that, repeat the process every time you evaluate, monitor, track, and progress. This definitely would work. It's a simple 5 step hack, but this definitely would work. The reason being, this you're making your life around that particular aim itself. There was
Yes.
someone who, among the achievers, who said, have one pillar and then work around that pillar. It's obviously right. Work around
Yeah.
one particular pillar, and that will definitely fetch you tons of positive results. With that, Pratham, the dice is all yours. Go ahead, please
Yes.
share your success story.
Good evening, everyone. Like, I
Good
am
evening.
Pratham. Good evening. Yeah, I am Pratham pursuing BCom honors from Satyavati College, Delhi University. So, like, I'll start my part with this thing, like in my early school life. I used to be the guy like who used to like shy a lot and like I don't used to talk people much. And right now I'm a person who love to talk people and like have a good network, like establishing network and stuff like this. So like when I was in school, like I used to be like bad in grades and like, till my 10th class. But in 11th class, I was like, I have to do something. I have to prove my parents and my teachers wrong that I can do something. Like I had that mentality at that moment. And like in my 12th standard, I got around 92% and I got admission in Satyavati College, Delhi University. It's a part of Delhi University. And I was like, oh, I had stepped into Delhi University, and earlier I was not even scoring around 60%, and now I have around 92%, and now I'm in Delhi
Pratham, what
University.
was the secret? How did you make that jump?
So I made that jump by like learning the subjects with that pace, like understanding the things properly. Because the studies we used to do till our 10th class was like just learning all that ratta or esa. Like people are
Yeah.
judged on the basis of their studies. Like if he or she is good at English, so he was judged like he knows English and stuff. But the thing is, you have to be good at communication. You have to provide the message which you want to provide to everyone, either
Yeah.
it's in English, Hindi, or any other language. So, like, I had this thing ki I have to do something like which will make me feel upwards. Baki se. So,
And did
aisa.
you did
Then,
you did you hit upon any specific point that you would like to share with the youth, those who are having the troubles with their marks?
so I'll tell you my 11th class, like this, like in 11th class, I was like, after 10th and 11th, I was not that sincere in my studies and all. So in 11th class, there was this stage like before the final examination. I had this fear I'll fail in my class, I'll fail in my standard and this thing. So like just 3 months before my examination, I like used to like I totally changed myself up. Like at that moment,
Okay.
I earlier when I used to be a backbencher, I like stepped forward and like uh, be there on the first bench and like try to understand the concept which the teachers are trying to make people children understand. So
Okay.
at that moment, I was like understanding things properly, like better than earlier. So
Okay.
that moment, the teachers helped me a lot because I actually
Okay. So Vijitji, I think like we lost his connection again. In the meantime, like as I can see, like we are running towards the end of this.
Guys, yes, of course. I think we've lost him as well. All right. There is some awesome network issues. Well, we have one more
That's
person,
amazing way of
and
putting it.
Aniket is the one who is left out. But then Manasji, can you
Yes,
imagine 1 hour 15 minutes with these awesome achievers? I have
yes,
learned one thing in common: never
yes.
ever give up, and that the beginning of it starts from your young age. And these
Yes.
people remain a testimony for that. What's your take on that?
Yeah, absolutely. I agree with it because I strongly believe, like, if I ask them what would be your message, I strongly believe they would agree with me what Mahatma Gandhi used to say. He used to say, "My life is my message."
Yeah, that
So
is
when I
true.
look at
That is
these
so
young
true.
people and they are sharing that kind of passion, that kind of interest, that kind of achievement in their lives, I strongly believe we don't have to ask them questions. Their life itself is going to be the message that they want to pass on to the world. Yeah, Pratham.
Superb.
So you are back. So let's carry on.
Yeah. So yeah, am I audible?
Yes, absolutely. Go ahead.
Hello. Yeah. So
So
I'll tell
Pratham, I
you
just have to
afterwards,
ask
like
you
my
to a little bit faster because I have one more person whom we have to cover up.
yeah,
Okay,
sure, sure, sure.
so
So
please go
I'll
ahead.
tell you. Uh, it's-
I think there is some technical glitch, guys. Please bear with us, the audience. Awesome audience, please bear with us. There is some technical glitch. We had some technical glitch at Darshanji's end as well. Well, in the meantime,
Hello.
Pratham, if you could please fast forward what
Actually, like
you've
it
achieved
was
so
like
far.
my earphones was troubling me. So
That's
I'll
fine.
tell
That's fine.
you,
Go
like now am I audible?
Yes, yes, go
ahead.
ahead.
Go
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So I'll tell you my journey to college, like being a freshie in college and like having so much ambitions कि कुछ करना है and कुछ करना है in sense कि actually you have to make impact on world. And that thing, like my college journey started like the day I stepped into college. I had enrolled in many of the societies and I was part of an actors and like various societies in actors, arts and culture. And uske baad I was part of commerce society of my college and so on. So the thing I realized was this key in my college there was this thing key that enactors were not was not registered and there was a gap in the students which are there in society. Like they are not sharing that sort of stuff and not providing that value to the students which who are there in their society. It's just that of only that sponsorship part or this like this much only in my college. So I came up with the idea of like opening a society in my college which my brother gave me. Like my brother, like I feel like he is like motivation to me because he like has helped me in lot bad times. And he told me with an idea, you can open this society in your college and you can lead it, and this is an amazing opportunity which you have right now. So I opened up Connecting Dreams Foundation in my college Satyavati chapter. So it's regarding social entrepreneurship which we are promoting, and on that we are like working on various like projects to the like to help the society, the unserved communities which are right going like nearby our college, which we are doing. So with this thing, like I came up with an idea called Project Suraksha. So this is a idea. This is a project in which we took people out of the community nearby. We had developed reusable sanitary pads, and like we had like this thing to make people know about what's the use of it and like menstrual hygiene, and like we had run a lot of campaigns. So
Wow.
we had made this product, reusable sanitary pads, and soon we are going to launch this out too. As like the lockdown came and that slowed down the process. So it's that point that we had provided employment to those people and like this. उसके बाद it's like this कि now it's working and we are working online. We are doing online project webinars like telling people about it and stuff like this. So after right after 6 months, me and my brother came up with idea of Sparrow. So it's my startup, and like 2 days before I have signed for my digital signature, and we have registered our firm for like a private limited company. So
Wow.
like me and my brother are the founders of it, and Sparrow is an organization which deals with like the like making the fashion affordable and with the motto of like making it sustainable. Fashion making sustainable. Like as we know these days, like due to fast moving fashion, we are facing a lot of like issues regarding to waste, generation of waste. So due to this trending Instagram, TikTok, and like lot of influencers, like there comes a like thing having lots of like it's regarding जैसे हम कपड़े वगैरह खरीद लेते हैं काफी सारे. जैसे earlier it was like I'll tell you a scenario. In earlier in US, people used to buy 20 clothes. One person used to buy 20 clothes a year, and now it has that number has been jumped to around 120 a year. So like there was a lot of degradation of old clothes, and like काफी जल्दी मतलब वो लोग उसको इतना यूज नहीं करते हैं जितनी जल्दी उसको डिस्कार्ड कर देते हैं. उससे बहुत ज्यादा वेस्ट प्रोड्यूस होता है. So we came up with this idea, like telling about like the slippers we have launched. It is made up of EVA material. It can be reusable with the use of thermal compression. And
Okay.
the tags which we are providing in it are made up of basil seed paper. And like after you getting the slippers, we can remove the tag and like plant it into like soil, and it will grow into basil leaves plant. So like this was the idea of Sparrow, which we are like working upon towards making fashion sustainable. And
Okay.
during this lockdown, we have like completed over 20 around 2,500 internships, as we
Okay.
have like got around many applications for internship in various fields: digital marketing, content writing, and this thing product research. And I'll tell this key, I had this much of exposure just because of my brother only. Like he used to guide me a lot, he used to support me a lot, like as a mentor. Like I feel like he's a mentor to me. And
Absolutely, Pratham. Like it is really great to have something like someone like your brother around, like who is out there to help you out. And especially Vijit ji, I don't know, like I'm the elder one. What about you? Because the elder ones have to take
And
care of
I always was lucky enough to be the younger one. I still remember swiping my brother's credit card for so many stuffs when I got into college life, right? So that's really an amazing journey, Pratham. What you've had. I just wanted to ask you one final question related to your complete journey. Have you jotted down the foreseeable challenges to maintain the complete supply chain of your
Yes, yes,
business, which you have said about Sparrow? If yes,
yeah.
what are the steps you're going to take in near future, especially with post-COVID opening up?
so like now we are working upon like how to like convert the old fabric, like discarded cotton, like
Yeah.
again into a t-shirt, or like we can reuse that. So we are this thing. And also like we are working upon reusing pet bottles, plastic bottles, like, and make a fabric out of it. And like various companies are doing it like abroad and overseas, like making t-shirts, and like making this clothing accessories and clothing using this plastic bottle. So we are working upon this, and like we have next plans to like implement this and like bring a new product regarding this.
Okay.
Superb, superb, superb. Manasji, we are running out of time. And then,
Yeah,
if
yeah.
you have
So
any question, you could ask Pratham. If not, if you could please introduce Aniket and bring him on board for a
yeah, yeah.
quick discussion.
So Pratham, thank you so much, and we really appreciate that the way that you are coming up, and wish you all the best for
Yes.
your future.